Xiaomi Redmi Go update rolling out with latest January 2020 Android security patch. Apart from the latest January 2020 security patch, the Xiaomi Redmi Go update also brings new improvements for the app vault. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi is rolling out a new software update for its Redmi Go smartphone in Europe. The OTA update brings with it some new optimizations along with the latest January 2020 Android security patch. The Xiaomi Redmi Go January 2020 Android security update carries the MUI software build version v10.2.12.0.ocluxm and is about 71.2 megabytes in size. The new software update is still based on the old Android 8.1 Oreo-based MUI 10, with no likely release for an OS upgrade. The update is limited to the European Redmi Go variant only. Xiaomi is rolling out the update for the Redmi Go smartphone in a staged process for users based in Europe. Hence, it could take a while before reaching all units gradually. Users will get a push notification to download the update. Alternatively, the update can also be checked by going to the settings menu section of the device. The company is likely to expand the update rollout to more countries as well in the coming weeks. As per the changelog, the update includes improvements to the new music card for the app vault and updated EU privacy adjustments. The January 2020 security patch further fixes a flaw that could have enabled a local malicious application to bypass user interaction requirements to gain access to additional permissions. The update also fixes an exploit that could have led to remote information exposure of the device.